At AIReal Yoga, we have two different hammock kits, and it includes different gear depending on your ceiling height. So for a hammock kit with a ceiling 9 feet and 6 inches and above, so if you have a ceiling that is really high or above 9 feet 6 inches, you're going to be getting this gear that I'm going to show you, which is the big thing is the daisy chain. So we're going to be getting a daisy chain, and this has loops on it, and this is how you will change the hammock height. You will also get two auto-locking carabiners. Each end of the hammock is going to be tied into a carabiner, and then you're going to use one of the carabiners to move one end of the hammock up and down the daisy chain. You're also going to get a swivel so you can do your revolved postures. This is what allows for that turning and spinning. And a quick link. The quick link is usually attached to whatever your rigging point is, whether it's an eye bolt or it could be something else. For us, typically it's an eye bolt. So your quick link will be attached to the eye bolt, then your swivel attached to the quick link, and then a carabiner in a figure-8 knot on each end of your hammock. And the daisy chain will be in the top carabiner. I'll show you all this in just a second. There are additional pieces of gear like the O-ring that some people like to use. This would be tied into the figure-8 knot on the bottom end of your hammock and then attached to the carabiner. And some people like to add this to make sure then that the fabric never gets caught into the carabiner and can lengthen the life of your hammock. You'll also get a hammock, of course, the color of your choice. We have tons of colors to choose from. And depending on your hammock height, if it's usually 9 feet, 6 inches and above, you'll get 8 yards of a hammock of your color choice.